Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you an easy method to prepare Aviyal. It's a delicious blend of various vegetables in a coconut and curd, topped with coconut oil and curry leaves. You can use a variety of vegetables such as yam, raw plantain, cucumber, beans, carrot, potato, raw mango, ashcot, drumstick, etc. Here, I have opted for a convenient Aviyal mix available in Indian markets in the USA. Now let's get started with the process. In a grinding jar, let's add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, half cup of grated coconut, 4 to 5 green chilies as per your spice level, a few curry leaves and small onions. Now let's grind them to a coarse paste by adding 2 teaspoons of water. In a pan, let's add the vegetables and incorporate 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a salt to taste and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix well. Try to use coconut oil for this dish. Pour 1 cup of water into the pan and now let's cover with a lid. Now let the vegetables cook. It usually takes about 15 minutes. We are using the frozen veggies, so it should take about 8 to 10 minutes to boil. Once the water has reduced slightly, let's add the ground coconut mixture. Now let's cover the pan again and let it cook for additional 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of curd and mix it thoroughly. Finally, drizzle some coconut oil and add curry leaves for the authentic flavor. Turn off the stove and your delicious Aviyal is ready to be served. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such easy and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you.